Hello everyone, here's a question. Find the limit of x to the power 1 over x times log of x as x goes to positive infinity. How to solve this question? Because as x goes to positive infinity, so this part goes to positive infinity, but the exponent goes to 0. So it's infinity to the power 0. So this limit is indeterminate. It may or may not exist. So then we need to do some algebra. For this type of question, so we are going to use this identity. Just for any real number a, we can write as e to the power log of a. So here a must bigger than 0. Okay, so now let's see how to use this identity to rewrite our expression. So then we have here. So first, just copy the symbol for log. Then what is a here? So a just whole expression. So then here we put a e to the log. And here we have e to the log. Then what's a? Again, a is a whole expression. Then we just copy here. So then what's the next step? So next step, we are going to simplify this part. So by using the second identity, that's just log a to the power b. Then the b can move to the front as a b log a. Then how to use this one to simplify this expression. So again, we are going to copy this part. So then we have e. Okay, so then we have e. Then what is the exponent? What is the b here? So this case, just this part, we can move to the front. So that's why we have 1 over x times log of x. Then what's the left inside? Just log of x. So now you can tell we can simplify. We can simplify the top part because here top and bottom we have log of x just cancelled. That's why, so then we got e to the power 1 over x. So this expression much simpler than the expression that's given. Then we continue to get the limit. Okay? Because e is a constant, then as x goes to positive infinity, the limit for 1 over x exists. So we can put this way. Just put the limit up here. So then just limit x goes to positive infinity 1 over x. Then we know this limit, okay? Because this limit is 0. X getting bigger, then the whole thing is approaching 0. So then anything 0, power 0, just 1. That's why the answer for this limit just 1. Thanks for watching. See you next time.